Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I customized this 13x4 or 20-inch wig from Sylque hair. I'm going to link it in the description box and all of that. I'm going to show you all how I color and install this wig for you all. I hope you all enjoy this video. I've been inspired. I've been seeing so many cute black girls in ginger on my social media, on Instagram and Twitter and all of that. So I wanted to do it, see how it came out. It's cute. I'm feeling it a little bit. But I hope you all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's go ahead and get into this video, you guys. So it was a nice day outside, so I decided to work outside for the first part of this video. This wig was sent to me by Sylque Hair. I just want you all to notice how bomb and invisible this lace is, you guys. This may be some of the thinnest lace I've ever encountered, to be honest. And the hair was really, really soft. The movement was there and it was gorgeous. And y'all, about this mannequin head. So this was my mom's old mannequin head. And I drew on it when I was younger. I thought it needed a face. So just ignore all of that. That's why it looks like that. But when I dye hair, I like to use the styrofoam one because I don't like to get my fabric mannequin head dirty. But we're going to pin it to the wig head inside out so we can spray got-to-be glue freeze spray on it to protect the lace while we're dyeing the hair. This time I only did one coat and it worked fine. Looking back at this video, this wig head looks really scary. I think I may just need to get a new one. As for the coloring, all I used was 2 boxes of the high color highlights dye in the color copper. You can get this at Sally's. I got mine from House of Beauty World. I did not use the Adore bottles whatsoever, but you may want them just in case. And also a 40 volume developer. So this was my first time actually using the L'Oreal copper color, but I've used their red color. And as for how much developer to use, I kind of eyeballed it, but you just want to get to a really good consistency. I'm going to show you that consistency in a little bit. So you're just going to empty the whole dye into the bowl, and then you're going to stir it and see the consistency from there. If you're the type of person that needs exact measurements, the package says using 2.5 ounces of developer. So that's what you should use per package or per L'Oreal high color dye. So we're just going to mix this all up. So using hair clamps, I'm just going to section the hair maybe 1/3 of the way, starting from the back, and just clamp it up so I can work in sections and get some of the hair out of my way. So y'all, I didn't have gloves at the moment, so I was using sandwich bags as gloves. But I don't think people realize how much power developer actually has. So while I was mixing that bowl, some of it actually fell on me. My hands started burning, like the way it feels when your normal bleach gets on your hands. So developer is high power, you guys, especially when it's combined with this dye. So don't underestimate it, you guys. Stay protected. Get some real gloves. Sandwich bags if all else fails. So my main objective was just to put the dye on the hair. So that's what I'm doing here. And you will see me kind of use a comb through it. But it was so hard to do with these sandwich bag gloves. But yeah, so I'm not a professional, y'all. If you're a professional, this video is going to irk you, but we're just putting the dye on the hair. As for the top, I decided to part the hair down the middle and just apply the dye everywhere. I decided to keep the roots light. This is my first time in a while I decided to actually color the roots. So this is all trial and error, you guys. So towards the end, I was finally able to get some gloves. So I'm just kind of sectioning the hair and trying to add dye in any of the places I missed. And just trying to make sure I get that dye all over the hair, you guys. So I'm finally done putting in the dye, and you can see the hair kind of changing a little bit. You can see it's becoming like a little reddish. So I decided to come back in about an hour and see what I got. Okay, so this is how the hair turned out. It looks like auburn-ish. This is a cute color, but I really wanted ginger, so I decided to actually bleach the hair. But if this is the color you want, you don't need to bleach the hair at all. But I just really wanted to see a ginger look. So we are not bleaching knots, so it does not have to be as thick as I usually make it, or at least we're not bleaching the knots right now. I just kind of eyeball everything, you guys. And as for putting it in the hair, I'm going to use the same method as I used earlier, as sectioning the hair into 2 equal parts and just slapping it on there. I'm just covering all of the hair. Since I want the roots light this time too, I'm just covering it everywhere. So I ended up leaving the bleach on for only about 15 minutes. So I'm only brightening the color that is already there. You do not want to leave it on for too long because then it's going to strip the color, which is what bleach does. So no more, leave it on for no more than 20 minutes. You can kind of look at it and see it changing to the color you want it to be. So this is how the color looked in 15 minutes. Mind you, I was using 40 and 30 volume developer. I used more so 40 at the top and 30 at the bottom. So this is how the hair looks, and I knew this looks like the color I want. This looks really bright. So I was also a little scared, so I went ahead and rinsed it out. And this is the color I got. Look how vibrant and shiny the hair still is. Like, this is some good hair, I'm not gonna lie. But it looks gorgeous, you guys. And this is exactly the color I wanted. I also decided to put flexi rods in the hair overnight just to get some cute little curls going on. And this is how it came out. It looks gorgeous, you guys. Now it's time to put this wig on. Okay, I am finally at the point of installing this wig. Like, look at this. This is gonna be interesting. But I love how thin this lace is. So let's go ahead and get into it. I install my wigs like the easiest way possible, you guys. So I'm going to make a slit in the lace right here at both of the temples. Another slit right here. So now we have 3 parts. I'm going to go ahead and spray the Got2b glue where I kind of want the wig to be. Let me pull it up a little bit. And then you see how I'm using my pointer to kind of guide the spray to where I want the spray to stay so it doesn't drip down my entire forehead and make all of the lace super sticky. I'm gonna blow dry. And we're gonna repeat again. Like, it takes me maybe 5 minutes to install my wigs. I'm sorry, you guys, I had to focus while I was doing that because last time I did that, I cut my forehead. So you see, I kind of have a piece rising right here. We're just gonna touch that up and flatten it with use the eyebrow razor or any kind of flat edge you have to kind of flatten it while you're blow drying it to stick it down. Y'all see, this area looks invisible from here to here. Like, you can't see lace at all. We're gonna go ahead and spray that. Make sure to stick it down. I don't know how I feel about being a ginger. I gotta wait till I style it, you guys. Then we're gonna really see. We gotta wait. Okay, so the wig is on, but it's not like as seamless as I want it to be. So I'm gonna tie it down with this for like maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and I'll be right back, you guys. Okay, gonna go ahead and take this off. I feel like it's still coming up right there. But now we are at the fun part. I'm going to go ahead and style this. I think I want to do like a side part. Look at me over here looking like SZA. Okay, this is kind of cute. I need a little baby hair. Let me pluck this part a little bit because we want the part to be a little more defined in the hair, just to get the look I really want. So I ended up touching up all the spots like I didn't really like where the hair was falling, the curls, with this 13x4 wand curler. And now it looks bomb. Now I'm feeling it more. Yeah. So yeah, this is about it. I think I really like how the hair was able to withstand the bleach and everything, all the coloring. So that was good, that was good. But let me know how y'all feel. Let me know how you all feel about Brittany the Ginger. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. I like it now, I think. My mom really likes it. I was kind of like, but then my mom kind of hyped me up. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. I'm gonna link the hair in the description box. Have a great day, you guys. I'll see you all later. Bye.